There's Cowboy looking for his next bird. That bugger's got a nose on him.
Got that one.
He's zeroing in. A nice high tail on him.
I'm gonna knock this one. I'm gonna knock it down, I think.
Okay, you want me to launch it so you can shoot? You got it.
Shoot up! Ah, boy. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Cowboy. Cowboy, here. Cowboy. Cowboy, here. Cowboy. Shoot him up. Good boy.
Yeah, he looked good on that one.
Come on. Ah, boy. Good boy. Atta boy. Atta boy. Cowboy, come. Come on. Here. Come on, cowboy. Come on. That's a nice birdie. Good boy. Yeah. Atta boy, cowboy. Yeah.
He's doing great, man.
Drop it. Boy, has he got a fucking nose.
He's pointing them birds far off.
Hang on, I'm gonna let this one go. Stupid place. Good boy.
He's gonna be a good dog, Ron.
I'm tickled pink right now, dude. Right now. He's a little puppy.